Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reinstate your account on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we are just going to follow this customer service article of eBay. And basically here we can learn more about the account restrictions and suspensions. And simply to reinstate your account is so easy. All you will be needing to do is to start contacting support, and you can go to a common ground, or you can find a middle ground so you can reinstate your account. So as you can see, this is like the easiest thing. If your account is restricted or suspended, you will be sent an email to your email address, and basically it will be explaining why your account has been suspended or restricted, and then you will be also contacted what you will need to do so your account can be reinstated. For example, if you have broken some policy of your listing, maybe like deleting the listing would solve the problem, or many other possibilities that you can do. So basically, you can also go to your messages. You might find them also in my eBay and selling, and basically you would find here the unread messages, or you can simply just go to messages and stuff. So you can go to your messages center, and from there you can find like the eBay message where it's contacting your problem. And basically you will be able to uh, solve the problem and reinstate your account. And basically those are some um, reason why a restriction would be done to your account. For example, you may have like a eBay selling cost that you need to pay. This means you have some undue balance, or you need to reimburse eBay for a refund they paid for to your buyer, or to resolve a buyer issue and you didn't like solve the issue, and many other reasons. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.